But first, marshmallow. Alright then. It's getting Halloween time. In about a month. It's his eye. There it is.
Yes. Yeah, I know.
Jimmy! Watch out! Da, 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 da. Give me some speed. We're not having any fun. No! Mr. Pencil saves Doodlebird. It was on my leap pad that I still have and doesn't work. It doesn't work because it's too old. You're bad. Blazing the monster machines! Ha ha! More! Gimme! Ah! Cocomelon is terrible. Chris needs to shut off the TV. Hey, you stole. No, baby shark. No, baby shark. Nothing. Disaster struck.
Mom, please. For at least 72 hours. These items include things such as water, food, extra batteries, or medication. Preparedness today. Visit
Oh. What in the world? Hey, this is my moment. Actual stickerless 2x2 looking speed cube?
Oh my gosh.
There's no way. This is my moment. And don't call an Among Us map trash. Among Us is a phenomenal game, but what did I expect? That is something unexpected, eh? It was literally a speed cube at a Walmart. I mean, I get the new model. 2x2 is kind of like a speed cube. Not this. That's not a Rubik's Cube. But this is crazy. Didn't expect that. It was a little scrambled at the start, but I can solve. I'm gonna review this. This is going straight in my Speed Cube collection, my Rubik's Cube collection. Monday, I think I got the Rubik's Phantom Cube. More Among Us. Boom, 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 boom. Saucy. Look at that, a lot of Pokemon cards. This is like my favorite place to get Pokemon cards. Like a literal speed cube, and I'm betting it's like an impossible find. So next cube 2x2, and that's unexpected. Hi Jimmy, look what I found.
How many Rubik's Cubes do you have?
A lot, but this one.
You want another one?
Sure thing, yeah.
Okay. Let me not be in the right section for hardware. Must not be where the duct tape is. It must
Maybe
be a
not.
Tape section.
Now let's see what's in here. Whoop. Whoop. Lego Star Wars. The banana.
Did you look for any Pokemon stuff?
Yeah, they've got some Pokemon cards down there.
You want any Pokemon cards or stuff?
Yeah. How much can I get?
Well, I would say for the honor roll, about $50 worth of stuff.
That's me. I gotta grab.
How much is that?
The cube. I'm not sure. We can.
It probably wouldn't be more than $5 or so. That would be
I was gonna say,
25. Get another Pokemon 10 or whatever. You don't have enough Pokemon cards.
I'm gonna check the price of the Rubik's Cube. There may be a conveniently placed
Could be.
scanner somewhere or somewhere else. I think 2 tins is $40.
Yep. A little bit more than 40.
A little bit more than 40.
About 45.
45.
22. If you find something else you really, really want, go over those.
Oh no! Is that the one with the orange dot? Is that a scanner? Be a scanner. No, I think it's just a cleanup station.
Don't worry about scanning, Brady.
Okay.
It wouldn't be over $5.
I know.
I don't think it'd be around $5.
Gotta check this out.